Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to do the rope braids to sleep in so that you get more of a wavy, like curled wavy look from your hair as opposed to like a braided beachy wave. So first things first, you want to make sure and brush through your hair really well. And anytime you're brushing extensions or long hair, you want to like hold it and then brush and like work your way up. And a couple reasons for that. Number one, it'll be more comfortable because you're not like yanking on your scalp, but then also you have to think like the more that you're pulling on the extensions, the more you're brushing, like that's the more tension that you're putting on your own hair and your own scalp. And that can increase the odds of damage or irritation. So don't do that. So the first time I tried this, I didn't put any product in my hair first, but this time I'm gonna try the Oribe Mystify. It's a restyling spray. So I already have quite a bit of product in my hair from the week. So it's a really fine mist. You probably can't even see it. You can hear it. And so I'm just doing, I don't know, I guess a pretty thorough misting, like definitely through the underneath. Because in the underneath, it didn't take as well as I would have liked. So by starting off with it a little bit more damp, then I should hopefully get a better result. Okay, so then what you want to do is you want to split this section in two, and you want to wrap both sections away from your face, or twist both sections away from your face, and then you want to cross the back section over the front one. So keep twisting both pieces away from your face, and then almost kind of naturally that back one is going to want to come forward. So just twist as you go. Don't try to like twist down all the way, because then you'll kind of lose control of the twist. So just kind of like as it's ready for another wrap, like only twist for that long. So like twist and then wrap and then twist and wrap and twist and wrap. Okay, and then secure at the bottom with whatever kind of rubber band you like to use. And then we'll do the same on this side. And then same thing on this side. Although I find it a little bit harder on this side. So this is my right side. So away. Like I feel like I have to really like help my hands more. Okay, and then like that. What's funny is that actually, like, even though this is the more challenging side for me, I felt like it came out better than my other side did the last time I tried this. I mean, it's kind of crazy looking. All right, so that's that. I'm gonna finish getting ready for bed, and I will check back in the morning, show you how it turned out. Okay, so I'm going to undo my rope braids from last night, see how they came out. So then I'm gonna just pull them apart some more. And finger comb really well. Using the Mystify definitely helped this take better, so that's exciting. Okay, so that is my rope braids all taken out, and I'm actually really happy with how it worked this time since I used the Mystify to dampen my hair a little bit. I was heating up my curling iron, but I don't think I'm going to need it. So there you go. That's how you do rope braids, and this is how it looks when you take them out.